Hello and welcome to another DotPi Python video tutorial. This is part one of a three-part video tutorial on the Python tool Super. This first video is going to go through what Super is, how it works, and a bit of the basic structure. The second video tutorial is going to go through a worked Python code example. And in the third video tutorial, it will also be a Python code example with some of the more technical uses of Super. So, what Super does is it lets you use methods that you've already defined in a Python class and lets you reuse those methods in a totally different Python class without having to rewrite them. So if you're not familiar with how Python classes work, I'd recommend you follow the description and follow the link in the description below and watch the video that's been devoted totally to how classes work. If you are familiar with classes, then you're ready to start talking about Super. I've written a code here which is not intended to be a functioning code. It's more so we can go through the structure of Super and how it should be set out. I said before, Super lets us use methods from one class in a different Python class. The way we do that is we define a superclass, and the methods in that superclass can be used by subclasses. So the first thing to do is define our superclass. That's what I've done in this line of code here. I've given our superclass the name superclass for simplicity. And inside that superclass are two methods in the form of functions. Those are function1 and function2. Both of those take the variable x and do something, which we're not too concerned about yet. Further down, I've defined a subclass. This is the class that we'll want to pull those function1 and function2 into. The first thing that's different already about when we define a subclass is we defined it, we've given it a name subclass, and then in these brackets here, we've called the superclass into it. So this is the bit of code that lets us access those methods in the superclass from our subclass. So now we have access to them. How do we actually use them? So if I want to define a new function in my subclass, I've called it new function, and it takes the variable y. If I want to use function1 from the superclass and pass my variable y into it, what I do is I use this bit of code here, super, in two brackets. Super lets me call functions from the superclass. So by using super brackets dot function1 and passing in my y variable, that will let me execute function1, pass in y, and where y goes in the place of x up here where it's defined in the superclass. So I hope that makes you a bit more familiar with how superclasses and subclasses work, and in the next video tutorial I'll go through an actual working example in a Python code. Thanks for watching.